In the field of project management, several trending topics and practices are shaping the way projects are planned, executed, and managed. So, today we'll be talking about a few of the current trends in project management. This is not only especially good for project managers, but everyone. So the first is Agile Project Management. Agile methodologies such as Scrum and Kanban continue to gain a lot of popularity. So Agile mainly focuses on iterative development, collaboration, and flexibility. This way, it allows teams to adapt to changing requirements and to deliver value incrementally. So as organizations scale their agile practices from individual teams to larger initiatives, the focus shifts to, agile scaling frameworks like SAFe, which is the scaled agile framework, and LESS also, which is a large scale Scrum. So project managers in this case need to understand how to implement and manage agile at scale while maintaining alignment and collaboration with the team and stakeholders. So Agile, as I said, mainly emphasizes iterative and incremental development, collaboration, and flexibility, thereby allowing teams to adapt to changing requirements and to deliver value in shorter cycles. So they emphasize frequent communication, self-organizing teams, and continuous feedback. So Agile project management enables quicker responses to changing requirements from clients and allows for early delivery of valuable features, which we call the minimum viable product. In this case, for instance, a software development company can adopt the Scrum framework for their project management approach. So this way, the team will break down the project into small, manageable iterations, which are called sprints. The team holds daily stand-up meetings to discuss progress, address challenges, and plan the next steps. So this agile approach allows the team to continuously adapt to the evolving requirements and changes that happen in the team and to deliver valuable software increments at the end of each sprint. The number two trend is remote project management. So with the rise of remote work and distributed teams, project managers are increasingly managing projects across different locations and time zones. So it's very typical to have somebody working from another country in your team. So this trend requires the use of virtual collaboration tools that we're all familiar with. So we have project management software and video conferencing tools, and to implement effective communication strategies to ensure clear and consistent information exchange. For instance, a multinational corporation can have teams located in different countries. The project manager working here will utilize collaboration tools like Slack and project management software such as Asana or Trello to facilitate communication and track progress. So they can have regular video conferences, which are held to discuss, say, project updates, resolve issues, and maintain very strong team coordination despite the physical distance between them. The teams can still work effectively. The number three trend is artificial intelligence and automation. So project managers are really exploring the benefits of leveraging AI and automation in their work these days. So in various aspects of project management, AI is playing a key role. AI can assist in project planning, resource allocation, risk management, and decision-making processes. Ultimately, it will improve the project outcomes. So in this case, a project manager can use AI-powered project management software that can analyze historical project data to create accurate project forecasts and timelines. So the software will automatically generate reports, track key metrics, and provide real-time insights on the project progress. So that way, the automation will save you time and allow the project manager to focus on strategic decision making and problem solving, which is what the project manager should be doing anyway. Number four trend is change management. So effective change management has become very critical as organizations undergo a lot of digital transformations and adapt to rapidly evolving market conditions. If you haven't watched my video on digital transformation, you should do so now. Project managers need to understand the human side of change. They need to address resistance. They need to ensure stakeholders are engaged and be supportive throughout the project lifecycle. So effective change management is very crucial for any project and in successfully implementing projects and initiatives within any organization. So project managers need to consider the impact of change on the stakeholders that they're working with. They need to communicate this change effectively and create a supportive environment for the adoption of this change. So they may employ change management frameworks and techniques to minimize resistance and maximize acceptance. So a large organization implements a new ERP system, one enterprise resource planning system, for instance. So the project manager in this example will conduct very thorough change management activities, including stakeholder analysis, communication plans, and training sessions. They'll address concerns and resistance from the employees, and they'll also ensure proper user adoption of the new system and monitor the impact on the business and on stakeholders as well, especially on business processes, to ensure there's a smooth transition. The number 5 trend is lean project management. So lean principles originated from lean manufacturing, and it mainly focuses on eliminating waste and maximizing value. So in project management, as in other fields, lean practices involve identifying and eliminating non-value added activities, streamlining processes, and just continuously improving efficiency in any way, shape, or form. So lean project management aims to deliver high quality outcomes while minimizing waste and unnecessary work. So a manufacturing company, for instance, can adopt lean principles to improve their product development process. So what they'll do is they'll identify and eliminate waste in the form of maybe redundant steps, maybe unnecessary handoffs, excess inventory, So by streamlining the process and minimizing non-value added activities, they reduce lead times, they increase efficiency, and they just improve the overall product quality. So lean management is important in every area, not just project management. So number 6 is hybrid project management. Hybrid project management combines traditional project management approaches with agile practices to suit the specific needs of a specific project. So this allows organizations to apply a tailored approach, blending the predictability and structure of traditional methodologies with the flexibility and responsiveness of Agile, so catering to the unique needs of their projects. So as an example, a marketing agency takes a hybrid approach to manage their products. What they'll do is they'll use traditional project management methodologies, such as maybe creating a detailed project plan with, milestones and deliverables. And then they'll incorporate Agile principles for more flexible task management and client collaboration. So this hybrid approach allows them to balance structure and adaptability based on project requirements, which is a good thing for any project. So in this case, we had talked about Agile project management before. This is a little bit different. Number 7 is emotional intelligence and leadership. So the importance of emotional intelligence in project management is gaining a lot of recognition. So project managers are expected to possess very strong leadership and interpersonal skills to foster collaboration, to motivate teams, and to navigate conflicts effectively. A project manager may lead a team of developers in a high-pressure environment, in a software environment. In this case, they have to demonstrate very strong emotional intelligence by actively listening to the team members, by addressing their concerns, and provide guidance and support. So by fostering this positive team culture and create an environment where team members feel valued and motivated, the project manager promotes collaboration and achieves project success by just fostering that environment of with interpersonal skills. Number 8 is sustainability and green project management. So sustainability has become a significant consideration, not just in project management, but in a lot of careers as well. So project managers are increasingly expected to incorporate environmentally friendly practices, reduce carbon footprint, and consider the long-term environmental impacts of projects on the environment or otherwise. So green project management aims to balance project objectives with sustainable practices, such as maybe using renewable resources and minimizing waste generation in your project. As an example, a construction company aims to incorporate sustainability into their projects. They might do this by implementing eco-friendly practices, such as maybe using recycled materials, maybe optimizing energy consumption, maybe minimizing waste generation. The project manager in this case will collaborate with suppliers and contractors to ensure that there's sustainable sourcing of materials and there's environmentally responsible construction practices. So maybe the wood they use, the roofing sheets and all of that will be sustainable. Number 9 is data analytics. So project managers who gain insights from big data analysis can optimize many elements of their project outcomes. So it provides valuable insights and enhances decision-making processes. So project managers can use historical data to forecast future outcomes in predictive analysis by identifying patterns and trends quicker and easier. So it allows them to proactively plan for risks. So data analysis is also useful for real-time monitoring of and using data analysis tools such as dashboards or reports. So this will help track KPIs and address any issues, make timely adjustments, and keep the project really on track. As an example, a construction company building a bridge can apply real-time monitoring by getting data from sensors and IoT devices on factors such as temperature, humidity, material usage, and workforce productivity. Another example is in a software development environment where data analytics can be applied to analyze maybe user engagement or feature usage patterns to determine or prioritize feature updates and improvements. These trends that I've talked about reflect the evolving nature of project management in response to technological advancements, changing work environments, disruptions, and the need for adaptive approaches to product delivery. So it's very important for project managers to stay updated on these trends and to continuously enhance their skills to succeed in the dynamic project management landscape that we find ourselves in. So I gave a lot of real-life examples to demonstrate how these trending topics in project management are applied across different industries, whether construction or software development or the like. And I also showcase their practical value in achieving project success and meeting organizational objectives. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell notification, because that way I know that you like the content and you'll be the first to know if I post something new. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.